Welcome to my fetching art channel. Making a paper and cardboard organizer is a fun and creative project. Here is a step-by-step guide to make a cool and functional organizer. You need materials like cardboard sheets, colored or patterned paper, scissors or craft knife, ruler, pencil, glue, decorative items like stickers, paint, washi tape, etc. Decide what kind of organizer you want to make for desk supplies, paper or small items. Sketch a rough layout for different compartments. Measure the dimensions of the space you plan to place the organizer in. Using your measurements, cut the cardboard into the pieces you need for the base walls and dividers. A simple design could have a rectangular base with vertical walls and internal dividers for different sections. Glue the base and walls together. Start with the base, then attach the sides wall one by one. Let it dry completely. If the walls need extra support, add small tapes or the cardboard at the corners of used paper clips to hold them in place while the glue dries. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Depending on your design, add internal dividers to create separate sections. To give your organizer a finished look, cover it with colored or patterned paper. You can use glue or double-sided tape to attach the paper to the cardboard. Now decorate your organizer with the stickers, paint, washi tape or any other embellishment you like. If you want to label different sections, write on small pieces of paper. If you plan to store heavier items, you can reinforce the walls or dividers by doubling up the cardboard or adding small wooden sticks inside the divider for extra strength. Thanks for watching this video.